what do we have here on our front porch delivered to us just in time for the holidays? It looks like UPS package. We will have to explore this and see what's in it. My audio had given up on me from my camera, and so I'm having to do a voiceover to fill in. This originally had some commentary with the microphone attached to it. So this is a Black & Decker outdoor wireless remote control unit, and it's designed so that you could turn your Christmas tree lights on and off from the comfort of your living room, or just pointing it out the window at this remote control, and you don't have to go outside and flip a power switch from your surge protector power strip with all of your plug-in lights attached to it. You can just stay in the house and get it with this remote control. This device is power input 125 volts, 60 hertz, and it does power output of 1250 watts at 10 amps max. And then transmission range for the remote is 100 feet, so you can still turn it on and off within 100 feet of the remote. And Black & Decker makes two different kinds of these. There's one with a timer built onto it, and then there's this kind, and I really don't care about timers. I've had trouble with timers on other electronic devices in the past and don't want to deal with programming it and stuff. And I like to have control over when I turn the lights on and off at my convenience. It saves a little bit of money on electricity. And this is grounded, so with a 14 gauge wire attached to it, or plug-in I should say. So you've got just enough power for quite a few lights. I don't run a lot of lights on the patio, so it's got adequate amount of juice going into it, and from there here it's going to go into a indoor outdoor power strip. testing this thing out, I have found that it's so sensitive that it even accepts commands through a wall. You can see trying to open these blinds here to show that it activated the lights outside, not even pointing it directly at the control unit itself. Then I'll come around the corner so you can see that all the lights are turned on. And then right here, that's where I installed the controller earlier in the afternoon when the light was still outside. We don't get a lot of rain in the state that I live in, so I don't know how to weather test it for rain, but it is waterproof, so it can be outside. I don't really have to worry about it too much where I'm at, and it's on a covered porch. But if you do have it in the rain, it is waterproof.